Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a jogless jog, I think that's how we call it. So basically when you have beginning of the round, all the lines are lined up properly. With this method I'm going to show you, only the first one is not lined up, but the rest is quite okay. The inside looks like this. So let me show you. Basically, once you get to the end of the round, the most important thing is to pick a second yarn from below, so we don't tie them together at all, like this, and then we knit. That's all. Again, once we approach the end of the round, we take the next color from below, and then we knit. That's that, and we'll repeat that until you run out of yarn, probably. At least I will be repeating that until I run out of yarn. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye!